Hello friends, it's Jana. I want to show you my biggest Hoya baby or mama that I have in my Hoya collection, which is this Hoya Publicalyx in this white pot. I have this in this pot for a while now, but I just didn't get the chance to show it to you because it was stuck in my shelf, because this is hanging in that shelf and kind of got twirled everywhere, so I just kind of this twisted on its own, so I stuck them inside here now so I can show you what is going on. So even this one, it went inside the shelf and then I couldn't pull it off, so I just kind of yank it and it got hurt. So hopefully that will still grow, but here are the parts that I cut before and then put them in I put them in the water. And here is the other one too that's dying. I don't know what happened to this one. Let me see. It looked like it probably got bent somewhere. Let's see what's going on. Anyways, I have to find out that later. And look at this, more hanging. So I put them in that mixture of the same thing that I use with my pink princess and the philodendron. So they are all tangled in this type of a what you call this, U-shaped trellis. So I probably need to move that into a different trellis so I can, maybe not, because you know what, if I move them into a different trellis, it would end up having to move off of this trellis, right? So maybe I'll just add more trellis for this other one when it grows more, because look at how long this has gotten. And I'm looking for a peduncle. And you see, I thought I seen one earlier, but maybe it was from the other plant, because I was looking at this plant. But it's just so amazing. I don't know what type of a Publicalyx this is, because I know they come in different varieties and they all look alike with its leaves. So hopefully I have a one that has a beautiful flower on it. This one here doesn't look so good, so probably need to just peel it off. The way it doesn't look ugly. And let me see, I thought I see one here earlier that is a little bit, that is having a spur or a peduncle, but I couldn't find it now. But anyways, this is what it looks from afar right here right now. So it is getting so big and happy in this white pot. So this is probably, I don't remember how long I have this, friends. So if you saw my other video where I did some cuttings, those are from this plant, and the others I took from the bottom here because they were stuck in a it was just stuck, and then it wasn't looking so nice. It was stuck in this little side here, so I kind of like, hey, it's probably okay to pull it out. So I pulled it out, and that's what happened. And just look at this beautiful roots, friends, that I pulled off, and then kind of just put them back in this trellis so it will trail down. So probably need to twist this one thing here into the trellis too, and kinda make it look round in there. But anyways, this is my Hoya Publicalyx, and also want to update you with my Sansevieria right here. I repotted them and put them in this pot, hoping to have more baby Sansevierias, because I love this looking like a bunny ear Sansevieria, right? Hey bunny, so cool. So I love that. So I put them in there, That's amazing. So, well, friends, this is just a quick update of this Sansevieria and my Publicalyx. So if you guys know what this plant is, please let me know so I can look forward to what type of flower I'm gonna get on this plant. Alright friends, well, this is it for now, and I will talk to you next time. Happy planting! Bye bye!